The multiplication of polynomials. In the multiplication of polynomials, it is not necessary to only have like terms in order to multiply them. The general rule is that coefficients are multiplied while the indices, exponents, of the same type of variables are added. In the multiplication of polynomials, we multiply each term of the first polynomial by each term of the second polynomial. As a special case, when the two polynomials have two terms each, we apply the FOIL rule. FOIL is an acronym that stands for first, outside, inside, last. This means when we have two linear polynomials p, x equals a, x plus b, and q, x equals c, x plus d, we have the following shown on screen. Hence, the first term of the first polynomial multiplies the first term of the second polynomial, hence the name first in the FOIL rule. Then the first term of the first polynomial multiplies the second, outside, term of the second polynomial, hence the name outside in the FOIL rule. Then, we continue with the multiplication of the second term of the first polynomial and the first term of the second polynomial, i.e. with the terms that are on the inside of the expression, and last, we multiply the second terms of the two polynomials. For example, if p, x, equals 2x plus 5 and q, x, equals 3x minus 2, we have the following shown on screen. The same procedure is applied for other types of polynomials and for more than two terms per polynomial. Example: find the product of the following polynomials: a, p, x equals 5x squared minus 3x plus 1 and q, x equals x cubed minus 2. b, p, x equals x squared minus 3x and q, x equals x minus 6. Solution: a. Applying the FOIL rule for polynomials yields, we have the following shown on screen. As a final step, we order the monomials from the highest to the lowest degree. Thus, we have the following shown on screen. b. Again, applying the FOIL rule for polynomials yields, we have the following shown on screen. That is all for lesson 11.2.4. To continue this tutorial, please watch 11.2.5, the division of two monomials. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.